Okay, today we are introducing our new software. It is a wedding planner. On Etsy, you must have seen a lot of wedding planners that they are selling. Since now it's the time that now we need to evolve from the uh, printable planners to the digital planners. So this is kind of a wedding planner which is digital. So this is just an orientation video. I will not be going much in detail. Um, we will go step by step. We will make a lot of videos. There will be a complete series on this wedding planner that I'm going to show you. But in this video, I will only show you what all is there in this planner. So starting with the dashboard, this is whatever you will do in all the other tabs will appear here, right? Then the first tab is the budget tracker. So we will see that how can we add the expenses here and how they will be depicted. Then we have a guest list. Similarly, we can add a guest name. It's all details. We'll cover that also. And here gradually your guest list will be built up. Then we have a seating plan or a seating chart. You can also create the floor plan. Then once you add the guest, you can add it's that whether he is a vegetarian or he is ready to eat any kind of a meal. So here all the calculations will be shown that how much chicken, fish, vegetarian to be decided will be required. Day of timeline. Here you will can create the timeline of your activities. This is a 12 months checklist. It is quite comprehensive. You can let's say follow along this checklist and achieve your wedding milestones. Then next is the vendors directory, and again you can add all these. We are not going into the details of how are we going to input our data and how it will be displayed in the dashboard, but this is just an orientation. So vendor directory, then we have the rehearsal dinner, its venue details, timelines and the guest subsets, and then pre-wedding events. This is also there, and we have the speeches. Here you can write the speech for a bride. Then we have for groom, best man and maid of honor. Then photo shortlist. You can also create your database over here. Then we have the music playlist, what all songs you would be playing. So you can add the song title and you can select the ceremony in which that you are planning to run or sing that song. Then post marriage we have a honeymoon planner. Then we have a packing list, and at the end we have the tipping guide, and tipping calculator is also there. Thank you tracker is also there, the thank you note that you will be sending to the people. Emergency kit details are there, and at the end we have added a setting tab where you can write the name of the bride, groom and wedding date, timeline and the wedding style. If you have a wedding website, then you can add the URL here. So when you will add these details here, then they will automatically appear in different tabs wherever they are required. So you don't have to add the names or these particulars on the other tabs. That's the beauty of this wedding. Then we have created this appearance tab also. You can convert this planner into a light theme also. You can see that it will be depicted like this one. And there are, by the way, different themes. You can change the color of the themes, whatever you like. We have given a quite number of colors here. You can, by the way, select and different colors if you want to customize it. That option is also there. Then we have the font, compact, normal and large. I will not be going in details, we will cover that. Then we have a preference tab, then we have the venue details that you can add in the setting, and then there is an option to export all the data, and similarly you can import the data just in case you want to have a backup of whatever you have fed in that. So, this is the wedding planner. By the way, we have gone through a number of wedding planners that were there on the Etsy, and we have ensured that all the um, things or all the lists or all the checklists that were there in those wedding planners, we have tried to include in this wedding digital planner. So, if you are interested, do write in the comment whether you want to buy it from us or not. It will be of a very nominal price. We'll soon upload on our digital store, and we will be adding the link in our YouTube video descriptions. So, we'll come back with the complete detail of how are you going to operate and use this digital wedding planner. In any case, thanks for watching, and if you need this, please do show your interest so that we would know that whether we should hurry it up to upload this on our digital store, or we can take time, let's say if there are less number of people that are interested in this product. Thanks for watching in any case.